Hello guys, so in this video we will see about Odoo 17 main features. Okay, so first of all, this is a milky theme that Odoo has introduced over here. You will be able to see that these icons are changed and the theme is this particular color is also changed, and in the dark mode also, when I will go there into the dark mode, then it will also get changed when we will compare it with Odoo version 16. So the dark mode is loaded here, and you will be able to see that this theme is also displayed like this in the dark mode as well. All right, now coming on to the next feature, in a general term, that so you will be able to see that previously notes module is now updated with to do. Okay, in any module I will go. Let's go to the sales module. Let's go to the sales module, and you will be able to see that this particular search option, this search functionality is added over here. Now if I want to search anything in deeper or with some advanced search like functionality, Odoo has provided that option too directly from here as well. So this is related to the filters, group by, search, favorites. They have also enhanced the search functionality over here. Now another change here is freeze headers. So you will be able to see these are headers, and if I am just going down, you will be able to see these headers are freezed, right? Draggable pop-up. So when any pop-up will come there in Odoo, let me just go to any one of these sales order and show it to you. So let me create an invoice. So this is a pop-up, so you will be able to see I will be able to change these pop-up over here. I will be able to change it like location of this pop-up. I will be able to change it. Right now another change came here is related to icon drag and drop. So if I am going outside and if I want to change if I want to drag and drop any icon over here, I will be able to change the sequence of this icon as well. Next feature is provided in multi branches functionality. So if I am going over here into companies, you will be able to see branches are defined here. So in different companies we will be able to set different branches over there. So multi branches functionality is also provided by Odoo. Next feature here is in different kinds of stages. Let me show you an example of CRM. So in the stages, record has taken how much time, so that time will be also getting defined. Let's see new. So over here like this time will be also defined there in the system. Now when I will go to any chatter part, let me go to the sales part and let me open this and let me go to the chatter part. You will be able to see that I will be able to search anything over here, anything content, or if there will be any document, so I will be able to easily search it over here. Plus you can also see that whatever smart icons were there previously in previous Odoo editions, so it were there here, right? Now the smart icon position is also changed with here. Okay, next feature here, that if I am going to the sales and if I am opening any view and if I am selecting any record, then by clicking on keyboard shift and down key, I will be easily able to select record. So like this, users will be able to reduce their time. If I am going to discuss menu, so I will be able to go with over here into this group chat like channels, and if I want to I will be able to just give them a link directly to the to this channel, and that user will be able to edit. If I want to pin any chat or want to see pinned messages directly, I will be able to do that. Say for one example, like if I want to pin this message, I can also do that. If I want to search any messages here, I can also search it accordingly. Next change is if user wants to raise a hand in when there will be a conference call or something, so that users will be also able to raise a hand in a call as well. All right. Next feature here is a WhatsApp functionality. So in apps, if I am just going to apps, you will be able to see a WhatsApp module has been provided by Odoo. So if users wants to you can see Odoo WhatsApp integration. So if user wants to integrate messages if user want to send messages from here, like any kind of the sales quotation related message or something from the particular record to customers WhatsApp account, so users will be able to send it, and users will be able to configure as well. Okay. Next feature is provided in the sales. Let me just go to the sales part. Okay. So in the sales part, if I want to create a product directly from a catalog, so new catalog functionality has been added over here. So you can see a catalog option is provided. Let me just select a customer, and if I'm just going to a catalog, then you will be able to see that I can directly able to add products directly from a catalog, and when I will go again on the sales quotation, those products will be added accordingly. Next feature is provided in sales. Let me go again on the sales quotation. You will be able to see recurring plan is defined. So I can be able to make sales order in a recurring manner, like monthly, yearly, or 6 months, or I can also define my own configuration. Next thing is defined is Incotem location. So when I will just go to the other info, and there will be an Incotem functionality will be there. So users will be also able to add just write down Incotem locations as well. If I am going to product attributes, so there is one option is provided over here, multi checkbox. So with this option, users will be able to select multiple attribute related functionality at once, multiple attribute related values at once, and those attributes will be automatically get added into the sales orders, right? So when I will go to any product, let me just go to products quickly, and let me go over here. Let me open this product, and if I want to add any kind of attachment document that will define a product catalog or something, or any design template, so I can go with these documents, and I can be able to upload or create a new upload attachment, and over here I can define that whether it will be visible at quotation or confirmed order or inside quote. So this kind of changes I will be able to define with the sales module. If I am going to the configuration of sales module, then there will be and also prepayment limit will be also getting defined over there in the system, that how much amount a customer can be able to make for based on the prepayment scenario in the system, right? So this kind of this prepayment method, like 100% or 50% scenario of this prepayment, users can easily able to define. Next functionality is defined in the inventory part. Let me just go to the inventory and show it to you. So you can see that operations menu is revamped. So now users will be able to see transfers like receipts individually, deliveries individually, manufacturings individually. So these changes has been done by Odoo 17. Plus, if I am going to any one of these products, or by going to any products related like inventory forecasting report, Now users will be directly able to reserve or unreserve product quantity directly from there. So there will be any forecasted report will be getting defined, so users will be able to directly reserve or unreserved quantities from here. There will be an option will come when this particular scenario will be managed. In the configuration of the inventory, dropshipping has been added. Previously it was only in the purchase configuration, but right now here dropshipping is also added. When I will just go to the downside, you can see the dropshipping scenario has been added. Now let me just go to the point of sale. So in the point of sale there are various kind of changes has been done. All right. So first of all, there will be self orders kind of functionalities also there, like kiosk mode or something. So users will be able to directly able to order from the kiosk mode. So you will be able to see. Let me just open it for you and show it to you. So in this kiosk mode, users will be directly able to scan the barcode or particular link and will be able to order directly from here, whether it in or takeout. Users will be able to select all these products and generate an order accordingly. Another changing is provided over here is the preparation display. So whatever product related preparation or say food related preparation will be there, particular users will be able to see this preparation display screen, order preparation display screen over here, right? In Odoo point of sale, let me open this. So a combo product combo functionality is also in the system. So if I am searching for any kind of combo product or something, so that combo product will come over here in the system, and let me show it to you, the configurations. So you can see products combos, so you can define multiple products over here based on price, extra and original price, and that product will come directly on the as a selection in the point of sale screen as well. There is also a configuration is provided into a point of sale by going to settings, that whether have to automatically validate order or not. So based on any kind of payment will be get paid via a payment terminal, then orders will be automatically validated. And in point of sale also they have provided credit limit warnings as well. So when any customer is having a credit limit, then in the point of sale also that credit limit will be also that warning will be also get generated. Okay. They have also added accept payment via a Paytm. So when I will just go to the payments part, you will be able to see Paytm wise payment has can be also get done. Plus there are also some another changes has been done point of sale, like in the customer master. When I will go with point of sale screen, some more details, some more functionalities has been added. Users will be able to access those functionalities, and for this QR codes users will be able to generate this QR code as well. Plus user can be able to enable the scenario for eat-in or takeout. Another thing is generate a code on ticket. So basically a 5-digit code on the receipt will be used to allow the user to request the invoice directly from the customer portal as well. So these changes has been also provided in Odoo 17. If I am going with an accounting module, so you will be able to see that Odoo has enabled and also increased payment protection. So based on any kind of, there will be phishing attacks will be there, so Odoo has increased the security for payment protection while a payment is done via different kinds of payment methods. Right now basically when any new transactions of this bank account user want to make, users can directly able to create it from here on these accounting dashboards. Plus in the accounting, user friendly bank synchronizations has been added over here in the system, and they have plus they have provided a management for different deferred kinds of accounting entries here into the system. Okay, now let me go with a manufacturing module and show it to you the glimpse of these features. So in the manufacturing module, when there will in the bill of materials, manufacturing lead time option has been shifted in the miscellaneous part. You will be able to see manufacturing lead time, and over here this option is there. So this manufacturing lead time option has been shifted into the miscellaneous part over here. Plus one of the major changes they have provided into the manufacturing here is a shop floor view. So when there will be multiple kinds of the operations will be there, so they have provided a whole module for shop floor, as you can see that. So users will be able to manage all kinds of the assembly, all kinds of drilling, cutting, whatever work centers and work order operations are there. Users will be able to directly manage all of them from here. So when there will be different kinds of the floors will be available for multiple manufacturing operations, users can be also able to manage multiple floors for manufacturing process as well here in this system. Next is projects. So when I am going to projects, then when I am opening any task, first change is users can be able to see projects updates directly from the here from the Kanban view. When I will go to any of these tasks, then users can be able to assign directly from here any assigned member of this project. User can assign directly from here. Another change that is provided over here, that is over like this. If user want to give any kind of the status of this particular task, let's say in progress or changes requested or approved, so you will be able to see users can also add changes requested or approved. So this kind of changes has been added in Odoo 17 as well. Next change is regarding to the HRMS part. So if I am going to the employees, then I will be able to print resume directly from this employee master. Let me just go with any employee record and click on this action and print resume. So this employee related resume will be also generated accordingly. Next thing is here regarding to this organizational chart. So a completely hierarchy of this organizational chart is defined, so users will be able to directly manage the organizational chart from here, and also will be able to manage different kinds of hierarchies, will be able to see these hierarchies as well. Next thing that is provided into this employees module here is the appraisal template. So when I will go to this appraisals for employees, right? So in this HRMS part, if I am going to the settings of these appraisals, so they have improved these appraisal templates as well in the system. You can be able to see this. Okay, and just same like this, they have also defined the department related hierarchy as well into the system. So if I'm going to the departments, if I'm opening any departments, let me just go with here this hierarchy view. So you will be also able to see this is a department level hierarchy. So it is also added over here. Next, into this planning module, users related particular shifts can be also getting managed into this planning module. You will be able to see that multi shifts can be also getting managed into this planning module as well. Plus into this employees part, when there will be any kind of these multiple work locations can be get defined either from home or office or any remote area, the users can be also able to bifurcate work locations employees wise. Plus in this repair module, when I will go to the repairs module, when we are repairing any kind of product, so in there just after this add or remove, a recycle option has been added. So users will be able to recycle the product also from directly from this repairs module as well. Next is appointments module. So when there will be any kind of the resource availability or resource kind of configurations we want to define, so users can directly able to define it over here. This is a form view of appointment. So resources, availability on users or resources. So users can be able to define these resources, and manage capabilities option is also defined over here. Plus into this options part, if there will be any Odoo discuss related Odoo's on conference link for video conference, so users can also define it accordingly as well into this system. Plus in this knowledge base, when I will go to this knowledge base, there will be a template functionality is provided. So if user wants to directly browse wants to create any kind of article directly from templates, users can be able to browse these templates and create any kind of article directly from these templates as well. Next functionality is spreadsheet functionality. So let me just go to any kind of view like these cells, and if I'm going to any pivot view, any kind of graphical view or something, and let me just go over here and spreadsheet. Okay, so if I am going over here and if I want to add any kind of image into the spreadsheet, I can easily able to add it via this image functionality. Plus another thing is, if I want to set this spreadsheet directly to any another person by this link, I can be also able to do that directly in the system. On the website side, they have also enhanced the user interface, and they have also, there will be any kind of gift card directly on the web. So these are some of these are some of the Odoo's 17 standard changes that we have defined here. Of course, there are more than these. There are so many kind of features are already provided into the into Odoo 17. We have defined the main features with it. If you want to to know more about Odoo 17 features or some more functionalities of Odoo, than Gmail ID or Skype ID or WhatsApp. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead. Bye. Take care.